The Napoleonic Wars, right? Why did the Russian campaign of 1812 fail?
Hello Mzansi, veteran actor Patrick Ndlovu has died at the age of 85 years. He was known for his role as the ruthless principal on Yizo Yizo. It is currently screening on Netflix.
I said what? Not who.
While details surrounding Patrick Ndlovu's death are still unclear, his agency did confirm the sad news of his death on Tuesday. He was born in Mohlakeng outside Redfontaine on the West Rand. His first love was not acting, as he was a teen jazz musician. Patrick's most recent role was that of Yizo Moloi on SABC 1 drama, the series of Zone 14. May his soul rest in peace, and condolences to his family and his loved ones. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mukosi. Bye bye.